Hi guys, welcome to What's in My Bag, but mommy edition. It's our diaper bag. It's Shuka's diaper bag, that's right. But her mommy is carrying it around all the time, and it has all our favorite things. Alright then, let's see what's in it. Baby wipes, of course. I never used them in the beginning of the period when Shukar was born. हम बहुत ज़्यादा कपड़ा और पानी यूज़ करते थे, लेकिन अभी there's more of going out and you're traveling and you don't always have access to fresh water and cloth. So these are very convenient. गाड़ी में use कर लिया, flight में use कर लिया. But I still prefer to use the old style, like कपड़ा पानी गीला करा, so like that. Next up is her sippy cup, and obviously इसमें हम पानी रखते हैं, जीरा वाटर रखते हैं, बहुत कुछ रखते हैं. And she has now started drinking from it on her own. Her favorite rice cracker. This is literally a lifesaver. शुक्र को ये खाना बहुत पसंद है. And when we started solids, this was introduced, I think at around 8 months or something. And she loves these. And I also guilty mom, but I also use them sometimes as a way to keep her busy or engaged. And when I have to do things like this and I want to, you know, her not to cry, or I just give her a little bit of rice cracker, है ना, खेलने के लिए. What's a diaper bag without lots of diapers? So I usually have at least 4 diapers. How much? Yeah, exactly. They always have at least 4 diapers. 4 to 5 is a good amount. जिसमें bag बहुत ज़्यादा भारी भी नहीं हो जाता है, but you have enough just in case of emergencies, right? Then obviously we have the disposable changing mat. So yeah, I mean, it's a disposable changing mat. Use it, change a diaper, throw it off. I also had one more mat जो इस बैग के साथ आई थी, changing mat, but वो हमने घुमा दी है, so अब नहीं है मेरे पास. We have the nail file. I keep it in a diaper bag because I always forget to file her nails at home, and I sometimes remember it outside and I'm like, we must always have this, है ना? Shuka is very happy. She's like, let me see what's in my diaper bag. We have this swaddle, which is basically a big piece of cloth. This has been there with Shukar from day one. It smells of her. I love it. It's so soft, and this can be used for anything. जब ये छोटी थी, I used to use it to like wrap her, pack her, you know, like that. But now I use it like a blanket. Sometimes in the car, if she's sleeping, to cover her up, as a towel, as anything. Basically, an emergency piece of cloth. Extra set of clothes because you know you need that. You never know, accidents can happen anytime. And one like a regular everyday dress and one like a cute dress with a cap, because girl mom, of course, we need those, right? And then we have tissues, and we have this, which is the only thing which is mine in this, which is an apron, a feeding apron. So for all those times that I want to feed Shukar in public, comfortably in the car, then I can just use this apron. Apron! I know exactly what to give you. A rice cracker. So you know, for times like this. But I also have to hide it. नहीं तो वो मांगती रहेगी. Cotton, and I don't know ये तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है, but so this tutu has actually come from this section, which is Shuka's favorite section, which is a toy section, and you can never have enough of these. I'm so grateful for this section because बहुत बार जब रो रही होती है या cranky होती है या हमें distraction चाहिए होता है तो then this Pandora's box opens and out come so many toys, one of which was this Sugar was this tutu. This has her teethers, different kinds and variety. This has her books. This one is Shukar's favorite book, the doggy book. And it has the ghanti. Don't ask me, just random stuff that she likes. I have no idea why. See? She loves this one. She loves this one. This her friend Gurva gave her first Christmas gift. Okay, इधर भी दिखा सकते हैं हम. चलो, yes, come on, you do that, I'll do this. Okay, her chankala. Kids. And this is a lot of napkins, hankies, bibs, more bibs, all of that. This red hanky की एक story है, which my mom had told me to use. So I have a load of these. इसमें एक है, but I have some 20 of these red hankies. And my mama asked me that Shukar के lips जब भी आपने साफ करने हैं तो सिर्फ red hanky से करने हैं, तो she'll have red lips. That's what mama said. So I just do it, and I don't know if it works or not, but she's pretty. Then we have disposable garbage bags to sort of dispose the diapers, and just in case we want to collect garbage. Do you want? Oh, I know what you like. Next one is also Shukar's favorite. It's her little travel hairbrush. This looks like a doll's hairbrush. Doesn't it look like a human? Yes, yes, that's right. Then we have this mosquito repellent, which is a natural one. कभी मच्छर वच्छर हो जहाँ आप जा रहे हो तो then just not on the baby, like in the environment. Rose water. This is अगर कभी इसको कुछ rash हो जाए and you know I need, so it's handy and nice music happening there. So then rose water is for that. And then the side pocket has some more mosquito stuff. This you can just roll on to the clothes. Some more mosquito stuff because you know mosquitoes. Stickers, you can just stick them on to their clothes. Coconut oil, very, very, very important, and probably the most used item of our diaper bag after the diapers, or maybe equally with the diapers. Every time we change the diaper, we use coconut oil. Right, Shukar? Every time. All right. Maybe I can do the rest of the video like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and this one. This is also our current favorite. ये है एक teething oil. It's called Teething. It has a lot of these. What all does it have? Roman, chamomile, lavender, coconut oil. It's very helpful for, what do we use it for? Teething. I just put a little bit on her jaws and jawline, and then Shukar's teething pain is gone. So that's pretty much all the stuff from a diaper bag. बहुत ही कम चीज़ें हैं इसमें, इतनी कम चीज़ें हैं कि literally पूरा sunset हो गया और हमारे diaper bag की चीज़ें ख़त्म नहीं हुई. And I think it's time to change her diaper. So that's me signing out. Let me know in the comments if there's something that you have in your diaper bag which is your essential. Like mine is the rice cracker. I would love to know. Bye bye. Say bye. Bye. I know you're saying bye. Okay. Bye. Say bye. Bye.